Hello and good afternoon. I'm Dr. Arya. So I'll be giving a talk today on the topic of laser skin rejuvenation. Okay, all right. So let's start. So what is laser skin rejuvenation? So laser skin rejuvenation is a skin resurfacing procedure that uses a laser to improve the appearance of the skin, sun-damaged skin, scars caused by acne, chickenpox, or injuries, or to treat minor facial flaws or scars. Okay, laser resurfacing can also treat loss of skin tone and improve the complexion if you have scars or sun damage. Laser. So lasers, there are many types of lasers in the market, but today we'll be focusing on laser skin rejuvenation. So mainly the two types of lasers that are available in the market are actually divided in either ablative laser, which actually removes thin layers of the skin, which is much more, has a lot of downtime and sometimes results in your skin being a bit raw for a time, for temporary during the healing process. Non-ablative lasers, which stimulates collagen growth and tightens underlying skin. Okay. So today I'll be focusing the talk of laser skin rejuvenation, focusing on this particular treatment, which I think many people probably know, which has been in the market for quite some time, but it actually benefits a lot in the general public with doing this procedure. So it's called carbon peel laser. So carbon peel laser, also known as, it has many names in the market, depending on maybe um, the clinic or the center wants to claim or use what name, but they all actually represent the same treatment. So also called, known as a China doll laser facial, Hollywood peel, black doll laser facial, or charcoal black doll facial. So this gentle procedure is safe on almost all skin types. It generally removes the top layer of the skin, leaving an amazing glow with a vibrant and youthful complexion. Treatment also takes only roughly about 20 minutes. Hence, there is also a nickname which people tend to call it the lunchtime laser or the lunchtime facial. So the procedure, how is this treatment done? So the carbon peel is actually a three-part process of the treatment. So firstly, we will apply a thin layer of carbon cream, apply it to the surface of the skin. We allow it to dry in a few minutes. And this natural carbon quickly absorbs oil, impurities, and dead skin cells from deep within the pores and pulls toxins to the surface. Then we will start the laser treatment with using a slow low energy laser heat to pass gently throughout the skin to gently heat and bond the carbon mass to the epidermis. Next, we will use a higher energy level to use to peel the carbon mass. So the carbon color, which is actually kind of like, it's black, light gray sometimes, depends on how thick you apply it, but actually you just need quite a thin layer of it. So the laser light is highly attracted to the carbon particles, the color of the carbon. When the laser is passed over the area, it destroys the carbon, taking dead skin cells, contaminants, and oil with it. Okay, so this is roughly a picture. So we will apply this is carbon over the skin. Okay, so throughout the whole area, we will avoid, because it's a laser. Okay, so we do not laser around the eye area. So we need to wear an eye shield to protect the eyes. Okay, because the laser is very dangerous. It can affect your retina. That's something that we don't want to occur. Also, the operator or the doctor who's doing a treatment will be wearing special goggles as well. Okay, so you apply this cream over the skin and let it dry. And usually we start off with the gentle heating, whereby we will run the laser over the skin to slightly heat the carbon. Okay, and then third step will be when we'll set the laser to a certain amount of energy in which the carbon, when the laser passes through the skin, it will actually pick up the carbon, and the carbon will actually will pick up together with the impurities of the skin. Okay, so these are the steps: the photo enhancing effect, where the carbon lotion seeps into the pores, and the thermal effect is first run of the laser. Carbon lotion is gently heated, and then the peeling effect. So the carbon particles will explode when the laser runs through the skin. So once the laser runs through the skin, it will pick up the carbon at this moment. So I think this is the roughly description of how the procedure is like. Probably I'll show you a video. We'll show you a video. So probably roughly you would roughly see how the procedure is like. So this patient here has already had the carbon peel, actually the carbon cream already applied on her whole face. So this is actually the first step. So we'll just run quickly of the laser over the skin over here. And then after that, this is the third step, whereby when they move the laser on the skin, the laser will pick up the carbon together with the impurities. So this will be done throughout the whole face to remove all the carbon. And this roughly takes about 20 minutes or so. So benefits of doing this treatment. So benefits of doing carbon peel laser would be reducing the signs. It can help to reduce the signs of premature aging, improve your skin integrity and radiance, reducing the fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin tone and texture, stimulating collagen growth for firmer and plumper skin, reducing oily skin and acne, and reduce your pigmentation as well. So what I mean by cleansing is the carbon has the ability to absorb oil and contaminants from deep within the pores. When the laser is passed over the treatment area, it targets and destroys the carbon particles, taking any absorbed material with it. And at the same time, it also exfoliates. As the carbon is targeted by the laser, it blasts away dead skin cells, the blackheads, and effectively exfoliates the skin. So the result is a softer radiant skin with a reduced pore size and a much even skin tone. Rejuvenating, whereby the carbon peel also targets the deep layers of the skin to stimulate collagen production, which in turn produces firmer and plumper skin and reduces fine line and wrinkles. Reduces oil. The heat produced by the laser shrinks sebaceous glands. This is sebum, the oil that is produced in your glands, resulting in less production oil and therefore reducing congestion buildup in the pores. So this will also actually help reducing when you reduce the oils. It will reduce the tendency of you getting clogged up pores, in which can result into acne. So will this treatment hurt? No, the treatment is gentle, it's non-invasive, and it's painless. Most of my clients can actually do the treatment without applying any numbing cream. However, some are a bit more nervous or maybe anxious with the first time. They may request for the topical cream to be applied. We do that as well. How does the treatment, what will you feel when you do the treatment? You probably hear a small pulse as we target the carbon particles in your pores. So you have a little beep beep, there is a popping sound. Majority of the people who've done this treatment would describe the feeling as warm or prickly, but not painful. So you'll feel like something's running on the layer of the skin, the layer of your skin, but it's not painful. What can I expect from this treatment? Your skin will feel immediately smoother and look instantly refreshed. Plus point, there's zero downtime. You can return to your daily activities immediately following your treatment. Your skin may appear slightly red, but this should disappear within a few hours. We recommend you to use sunscreen, minimum of SPF 50, and avoid abrasive exfoliate, so no scrubs or other invasive skin treatments for a few days, so no chemical peels and whatnot, or any treatment that would actually for you to apply anything that's abrasive over your treatment throughout within about a few weeks. I would say the first week of the treatment. How long do results last? It will depend on the condition of your skin type, and your lifestyle. Some would notice results after a single treatment. However, for long-term results, our recommendation is regular treatments. At least 4 to 6 treatments are optimal, spaced out between 2 to 4 weeks apart. And with that is my presentation. Well, treatment is very simple. It's something that you can probably come in and do a treatment, which you will be coming into the clinic for consult, so with the doctor. So we will probably see how your skin is like, whether you're suitable for this treatment, but most of the people are actually, unless if your skin is very sensitive or very dry, then probably we would suggest you to do something else to help to moisturize your skin first before trying out this treatment. It's a treatment that's very comfortable, and a lot of people have been doing it and are very happy with the result. Especially it helps with uneven skin tone, and especially if your skin is oily, to reduce the oil Probably if you have a little bit of blemish or a little bit of PIH, it does help as well. This treatment is also offered in our clinics, in Stella Clinic in Sunway and also in Malacca. So if anybody is interested to try this treatment, you can always call our call center or our clinic to ask and inquire about the treatment. We have special packages as well for the treatment that you can try. Is there any questions? Okay, and with that, I'll end my presentation today. Thank you all for listening. If you have any queries, you can always feel free to contact our clinic, or you can even email us and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.